We'll guide you through how to make a TikTok account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. With a TikTok account, you can go and create and post your own content, but you can also go and consume others, and you can comment and engage with different content. You can do this whether you already have a TikTok account or whether you've just got the app. So whether you've just got the app, just wait a moment when I catch up if somebody's already got an account and they want to make another. So if you've already got an account and you want to make another, press profile in the bottom right and press the name just below the profile icon. Go down and press add account. So now on both of them, we should go and be on sign up for TikTok. So either you can use a phone or email or continue with a different platform. We're going to use a phone or email. So let's tap there. Enter in the birthday. This is really key to go and get right. So let me go and type mine in now and press continue. Now, what you need to do is go and select the phone or email at the top, depending upon what you prefer. In this case, I'm going to go and use a email. So I'm going to go and type that in now. You can then go and choose the ending at the end and go and press continue. Then a link or a code is going to go and be sent. So what we can then do is we can then go and enter that in. I'm just going to go and check my inbox now. I can go and see it. You can go and open up your email app and do that. Then it's going to go and verify the code, enter in a password to go and keep it secure. Choose a nickname. This can go and be changed later. So I could go and name it Guide. Then we can press continue. That's it. You've now got your account.